What's poppin' YouTube? JD here, back with yet another review for you guys, and in this video we have finally another colorway of the Yeezy 500 High. In my hands I have the Yeezy 500 Tyrian. What up fam? So in this video I'm gonna break down this sneaker, tell you why I think this is one of the most underrated Yeezy models of the last 2 years. I will also give you some sizing recommendations, talk about resale, and as always give you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. So it has been a long time since we've seen a new colorway of the Yeezy 500 High. The last one we saw was all the way back in 2019 December, and that is this pair. I have it in my collection, the Yeezy 500 Slate High. And last year when I did my end of year rankings of the best shoes of the year, I actually said that this shoe was my number 4 favorite sneaker that released last year. That's how much I love this sneaker, but not everyone did so. In fact, this sneaker actually sat in stores for a really long time. It had absolutely no resale value, so I'm pretty sure you won't find any other sneaker channel out there that loved this shoe as much as I did. There was a lot of reasons why I thought this shoe was amazing. First of all, it was just the silhouette of this sneaker. I think they did a really good job making a high top version of the original Yeezy 500s. The silhouette of this sneaker reminds me very much of a Jordan 7, well, at least the top portion. You can see these panels here at the top. They do look very similar to the same panels you see on the Jordan 7. And the bottom of the sneaker almost has like this insect pattern that looks quite similar to a Jordan 13. So this is kind of like a Jordan 7 and a 13 put together, and I just think the final result combined with the quality of the materials just made this a really good shoe. When it comes to the quality, and I'm not playing when I say this, if we are talking about the quality, to me, this is one of the, if not the best Adidas Yeezy that has been made so far. All of the materials used on this sneaker are very nice. There's primarily 3 materials. On the upper, we have this suede that you see along the toe box. It's a very nice suede. Also on different panels of the sneaker, you have this leather, which is done in this nice tumble leather. And all these blue panels you see on the sneaker are done in this neoprene material. You also got these rubber mud guards on either side of the sneaker as well as the back. So this colorway officially called the Tyrian. Whenever I see that word, I think of Tyrian from Game of Thrones. I'm not sure if that's the inspiration, but this colorway, primarily 3 colors. On the suede, you have this mud brown color. It's pretty much almost exactly the same color you saw on the Yeezy boot, that oil colorway. It's pretty much that same brown suede that you see on that pair. Then you have this black leather. You also see the black on the tongue done in this neoprene material, and also the outsole is done in black. The brightest color on the shoe is of course these blue panels of neoprene that you see all over, and apparently this color is actually the Tyrian color. If you Google Tyrian, you'll see that it's actually a color, and at least according to Google, it doesn't seem like that Tyrian looks anything like the blue you see here. So I'm not entirely sure what color this is. It almost looks like a royal blue. Either way, it is the loudest color on the sneaker, and to be honest, I'm not so sure how well it goes with the rest of the shoe. I personally would have preferred if they put this brown color that you see on the suede. I would have preferred if all the panels on the shoe also had the same color. The blue, I'm just not so sure about, but let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think of this color blocking, especially this blue? I want to know what you guys think in the comments. There is one big change between this colorway, the Tyrian, and the original Slate colorway, and that is the laces. You see the Tyrian pair actually comes standard with this rope style bungee laces. And the cool thing about these laces is that you don't actually need to tie them. You can just press this button and push down this tab here to tighten or loosen the shoe. I'm not a big fan of these rope laces because they don't actually sit well. As you can see, they're like pointing up at all times. Like even if you push it down, it kind of goes back up. So it looks a little weird when you have it on feet. Your laces are just kind of pointing outwards, but not to worry because the shoe does also come with an extra pair of regular laces that you can lace them in case you don't like these bungee laces. By the way, very quickly, if you've been enjoying this video so far, make sure you smash that like button. It really helps out the channel, and of course subscribe for more. I am dropping content every week, guys, so make sure you're subscribed. So like I said, it's been a really long time since the last colorway. It's almost as if Yeezy brand completely forgot about this model. The timing of this release is a little bit weird to me because we are going into the summertime, and let's be honest, this is really not a summer shoe at all. This colorway is not a summer colorway, and also it is quite a hot shoe. The materials don't provide much ventilation. not the best sneaker for the summer. So it's pretty weird to me that they released this in May. I would have probably just delayed it till September, till the fall. This sneaker also released pretty much at the same time that there was a huge Yeezy restock, and also the Slate pair restocked in many stores across Europe. So that restocked, as well as we got the new colorway at the same time. Just a little bit weird with the timing. These sneakers actually didn't sell out. They are still sitting in some stores. I will try to leave as many links in the description as I can wherever the shoe is still available. If you're wondering about sizing, for me, this fit absolutely perfectly when you go true to size. Doesn't matter if you have wide foot or not. I think true to size in this sneaker fits absolutely perfect. I will touch on resale a little bit, although there's not much to say because this right here is pretty much a brick. I hope none of you guys copped this for resale, and if you did, I would probably return it because it's really not worth holding on to these long term. I don't see these going up, and like I said, we are heading into the summertime, so I just don't see demand for a shoe like this actually going up too much. What are my final thoughts on this sneaker? I was personally quite happy to see a new colorway of the 500 high drop finally after such a long time. I'm not so sure how much I actually love this colorway, but that being said, I love this model so much. The 500 high, quality of the material is great, and it just looks really, really tough. So in my opinion, this shoe for me is a cop. If you're not already following me on Instagram, make sure you do so. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. That is the easiest place to contact me, and I do drop a lot of sneaker content on there as well, so make sure you're following me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and for messing with the channel. I appreciate it. The on-feed portion of the video coming up right now. Until next time, guys, peace.